In this video, we'll be talking about the Eadie-Hofstee plot and how the Eadie-Hofstee equation is derived from the michaelis-menten equation. From michaelis-menten equation, we have that V0 is equals to Vmax times substrate concentration over Km plus substrate concentration. Taking the reciprocal of both sides of the equation, we have 1 over V0 is equals to Km plus substrate concentration over Vmax times substrate concentration. Multiplying both sides by Vmax, we have Vmax over V0 is equals to Vmax into bracket Km plus substrate concentration over Vmax times substrate concentration. Now, if Vmax cancels Vmax, we have Vmax over V0 is equals to Km plus substrate concentration over substrate concentration. Now, if we cross multiply, we have Vmax times substrate concentration is equals to V0 into bracket Km plus substrate concentration. Removing the brackets, we have Vmax times substrate concentration is equals to V0 times Km plus V0 times substrate concentration. Now, we take V0 times Km to the left hand side of the equation. Doing that, we have Vmax times substrate concentration minus V0 times Km is equals to V0 times substrate concentration. Now, dividing both sides by substrate concentration, we have V0 is equals to Vmax times substrate concentration minus V0 times Km over substrate concentration. Now, splitting the component of the numerator on the left hand side of the equation, we have V0 is equals to Vmax times substrate concentration over substrate concentration minus V0 times Km over substrate concentration. Now, if substrate concentration cancels substrate concentration, then we have V0 is equals to Vmax minus V0 times Km over substrate concentration. Now, we can rewrite this as V0 is equals to minus Km into bracket V0 over substrate concentration plus Vmax. And this is the Eadie-Hofstee equation. This equation is similar to the equation of a straight line y is equals to mx plus c, where y is equals to V0, x is equals to V0 over substrate concentration, m, which is the slope, is equals to minus Km. C, which is the y-intercept, is equals to Vmax. Also, the s-intercept is equals to Vmax over Km. And this is the Eadie-Hofstee plot.